This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by noting the update error code and current Windows build so you know what to target. Create a system restore point and back up any critical files. This protects you if something changes. Once done, disconnect printers and external drives to reduce variables, and make sure you have at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of free disk space for temporary files. Now open Settings and navigate to Update and Security so you're ready for the next steps. You'll run the Windows Update Troubleshooter first. It fixes common issues automatically and explains any failure details. If problems persist, stop the Windows Update, bits, and cryptographic services in Services. MSC, this prevents file locks. Then clear the software distribution download folder and the catroot2 folder to remove corrupted caches. Once cleared, restart those services. Make sure to run an administrative command, prompt for service and folder commands so permissions don't block progress. Then check for updates again. If updates still fail, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health followed by sfc/scano to repair the system image and corrupted files. These commands fix components that block updates. Once they complete, reset Windows Update components, or, if necessary, use Reset this PC while keeping files, only after backups. Finally, check Update History and Windows Update Log. If an error code persists, record it and search the specific Microsoft KB or event logs for that code. One troubleshooting tip: try a clean boot before rerunning updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.